Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like button, smash subscribe and ring that so you don't miss out on more product reviews that keep you laughing while keeping you safe. Today, we're talking about a life-saving little gadget that every home needs, especially if you enjoy not being poisoned. Let's dive into the hilarious yet oh so important world of the Kidde low-level carbon monoxide detector plug-in wall with AA battery backup and test hush button. Stick around because this thing is not just a safety hero, it's also weirdly entertaining. Let's go. Don't let CO sneak up on you. Meet the low-level carbon monoxide detector that screams louder than your smoke alarm. Meta description: stay safe and laugh while you're at it. This low-level carbon monoxide detector by Kidde plugs in, backs up with batteries, and outperforms every other CO alarm on Amazon. Let's face it, carbon monoxide is like a silent fart. Deadly, invisible, and it doesn't care who it takes down with it. That's why every home needs a low-level carbon monoxide detector. And no, I'm not talking about the one from 1998 that's been blinking red like it's auditioning for a rave. Introducing the Kidde carbon monoxide detector. Plug-in wall with AA battery backup and test hush button. Your new favorite roommate who doesn't steal your snacks and will save your life. Why you actually need this detector. Carbon monoxide doesn't knock. It just sneaks in like that one friend who shows up uninvited and overstays their welcome. Except, more deadly. This low-level carbon monoxide detector uses electrochemical sensor technology. Fancy, right? To catch even tiny traces of CO. If that poisonous gas is lurking, this detector doesn't just sit there quietly. It screams with an 85 decibel alarm like a rock concert in your hallway. And because disasters don't politely wait, for the power to come back, the Kidde detector has 2 AA batteries on standby like a responsible adult. But wait, there's more. Unlike that knockoff CO detector you found on page 14 of Amazon, this one is basically a brainiac peak-level memory stores when carbon monoxide was last detected, or when you last tested it, so you can prove it wasn't. Just your cooking again. Test hush button gives you 8 full minutes of peace when your dinner gets smokier than your ex's text history. Compact and lightweight. Just 18 grams of life-saving greatness. UL certified because no one wants a CO alarm that got its diploma from University of Hopefully It Works. Why this one's better than the rest? Let's be real. You want the best low-level carbon monoxide detector, not some slacker that barely tries. Kidde is that overachieving student. It meets UL 23-4, NFPA 72, HUD, and even the California Fire Marshal's high standards. This thing's resume is longer than your average influencer's skincare routine. Other detectors only alert you at high levels. Kidde catches CO early, before you start feeling like you just rode Space Mountain on an empty stomach. Final thoughts? It's small, white, and might look like a mini router, but the Kidde plug-in low-level carbon monoxide detector with battery backup and test hush button is your silent guardian, your watchful protector, your gas-fighting ninja in the wall. So go ahead, add it to your cart. Tell your smoke detector it just got promoted to co-worker. Safety has never been this smart or this funny. Buy it now, before carbon monoxide makes a guest appearance you didn't invite. So what do you think? Do you have a carbon monoxide detector that's older than your high school diploma? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to tap that like, smash subscribe, and share this video with someone who still thinks opening a window is enough protection. Link to the Kidde low-level carbon monoxide detector is in the description. Go grab it before it's too late. Stay safe, stay silly, and I'll see you in the next video.